Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from XMO to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to transfer your USDC seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double check for any platform changes. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both an XMO account with USDC in it and a Coinbase wallet set up. You'll need to know your Coinbase wallet address, copy it safely to avoid any mix-ups. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and find your wallet section. Locate your USDC balance, that's what we're working with here. Step 2. Initiate a withdrawal. Click on the withdraw option next to USDC. You'll see a field to enter the recipient address. Paste your Coinbase wallet address there. Remember, USDC is typically on the Ethereum network, so select that as your blockchain to ensure compatibility. If you're using a different network, double-check with Coinbase first to avoid lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved scalability, but they can still add up. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. Once sent, head over to your Coinbase wallet app or website. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the USDC to show up, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't arrive, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. And never share your private keys. That wraps up our guide. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.